one. Dash cams. Thought about this because I actually saw a car the other day with a dash cam. And I said, are dash cams legal in Mississippi? Well, the answer is yes. But did you know there is a law on it that says you cannot mount it on your windshield if it will block your line of sight.
Okay. Well, I was wondering, I've seen, individual dash cam footage. I mean, that's interesting, I guess. Do you think it would be beneficial to have one?
I think in today's day and age, it's definitely probably helpful just to have it to immediately, if you're involved in an accident, you'd have, potentially have the footage that's there. So it's just another piece of evidence that we could use, no different than we tell our clients that if you're in an accident and you're capable, please take photos at the scene following the accident. Take photos of the adverse's car, of their car tag, things of that nature. I think it's important. So it'd just be a piece of evidence. But, don't mount it on your windshield if it's going to block your line of sight, because then you're actually violating Mississippi law. And the other thing is, if you're recording on private property, there you could run into issues. Public property, no issues. But if you turn and go on someone's private property and start recording and you don't have their permission, there could be issues with that on video. Of course, audio, Mississippi's a one-party consent state.
Right.
It's how that works out. But yeah, I think we see more and more dash cams that are out there. I know we've had clients who be like, hey, I got it on the dash cam, and send us the video and so forth. Traditionally though, it's just a forward-facing dash cam. So when you're hit from behind, you're not getting the video footage.
How much does a dash cam cost?
It's not very expensive.
Okay.
I bet you could find one on the TikTok shop.
You probably could. Yeah, it might not work for very long.
That's right.